Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back with your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr. Guy. And good morning, Ms. Louise Laura.
Good morning.
I'm scheduled for July the 27th for a review. Well, second book. Okay, that's fine. We know you're leaving us, people.
Not my intention.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Vencia and Little. Case numbers SP 1250693, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1250695, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1254186, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1266481, SP 1295899, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for record, please.
Old Asbury Jr. on behalf of Ms. Little. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Venetia Little.
Ms. Little, the offer just doesn't encompass everything. 1, 2, 3, 4 issues. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases. We get a city attorney in here, please. We don't have a city attorney to. Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
No.
All right.
Hi,
We can get you a trial date on all these matters, or you can wait to get an offer. And we can settle it on the date of trial, or we can wait to get the offer and see what you can see what they can give you today. Which one would you like to
I would like a trial.
trial?
Yes.
Okay. All right, the trial date is gonna be, September 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m. I don't know what's preventing you from getting a license, but it appears that you should be able to, you don't have anything down here that appears that is preventing you from getting a license. You may want to go and try to get that license before you come back, all right?
Okay,
All right, trial date is gonna be trial, September 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m.
okay. Do I go down to 36 or over the phone?
No, you go to the Secretary of State. And if
The
they,
trial?
oh, for the trial, you're gonna come to, over the phone again like you are here. But for
Okay.
but for the driver's license, if they don't give you a license, you can ask them what cases are preventing you from getting a license, and they should tell you.
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day.
thank you.
All right, you too. Louis, Laura,
Good morning.
it's Louis, Laura. This is the city of Detroit versus Louis, Laura. Case number SP 1261927, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Luis Lara.
Okay, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Let's see what's going on. Mr. Barker. All right, the gentleman that signed in, or the lady that signed in under Toko Kara, you have to mute yourself. Warren, you have to mute yourself.
Hello, how you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. Good morning to you.
This Timothy Little, Maurice Littles.
All right. Mute yourself until I call your name, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see you paid the equipment violation, Mr. Berry. As for arraignment, for purposes of arraignment.
Yes, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Where is Luis Lar?
Right here.
I need to see your face, sir. All right, good morning to you. So,
Good morning.
he's got a driver's license never acquired. Are you eligible to get a license, sir?
No, I had got a letter a couple days ago because of this court. I wasn't able. I said that it was revoked from getting it. So
It wasn't because of this. Are you
yeah,
a
well, I don't know. But,
United States citizen? Are you a
yeah, I
United
am.
States?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date. I want you to go to the Secretary of State and start. You've never had a license, right?
No, sir.
All right, I want you to go to Secretary of State
Mm-hmm.
and get a license.
Okay.
If you bring that license back by September 1st, I'll dismiss the ticket.
Okay. Okay. So when I get my license, do I join back? Am I gonna come back on the phone, or
Yeah, come back on the phone, just like you are now.
the same code and everything, right?
Yes, on
Okay.
September 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Have your license by that date. Zoom in at 8:30, and we'll dismiss the cases.
September 1st.
September 1st at 8:30. Yes. You seem like you're sitting
Okay,
behind
thank
the
you.
wheel. You seem like you're sitting behind the wheel of a car right now.
No, sir. I'm not driving right now. I'm at work right now, but I'm just sitting in the car right now,
And you're not sitting behind the
just for the
wheel. You
court.
said, no, you're not.
No, I'm not driving, sir.
I didn't ask you whether you were driving. I said, you seem like you're sitting behind the wheel of a car.
Well, yeah, I am, but just for the court. I'm at work right now. I'm in my
Whose
dad's
car is
car
it?
right now.
And you work with your
It's my
dad?
cousin's. Yeah, I do.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Deho, a text message is going to give me confirmation of that if they have it. As soon as I get that confirmation,
Oh, okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
all right, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Clarence Marcus Guyton, case number SP 124-87122, SP 124-87127, SP 124-950, strike that, and SP 124-9510, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1320974, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Guyton. State your full name, Mr. Guyton.
Clarence Guyton.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. There's no offer in the file here either. You can wait, sir, to get an offer. I am going to set aside the defaults on SP 1320974, counts 1 and counts 2, and allow him to be heard on that. Wait for an offer. I can set a trial date for you. You can resolve it on the trial date of trial.
I'll wait for offer.
All right. What about you getting the driver's license, sir? Why don't you? Do you have a driver's license?
No, I tried to get a driver's license in 2021, and they told me to get a driver's license, I had to pay off the tickets that I had, but I didn't know how many tickets I had.
When was that in 2021?
In November,
Ah,
I had got a ticket on Connors and Jefferson for tail light being out. I mean, not tail light, for a headlight being out. And I got the headlight fixed. They said if I got the headlight fixed, I could bring it to court and show that I got the headlight fixed, my receipts and everything. But I never got a chance to go before a judge or anything.
I don't think that should be affecting you to get a license. I think you need to go make a trip back down there. And like I told the other individual, they don't give you a license. Ask you specifically what's holding you up from getting a license.
Yeah, they said tickets. That's when I asked. They said I had to pay off something before I could actually get a driver's license.
I don't see anything here that should be preventing you from getting a license, but that's what they say. I mean, all right, I'm gonna wait until we get a city attorney in here, Joe. We got one now. I'll give you an offer, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Judge.
Good
This is
morning,
Melita
Mark.
Barrett.
How are
I
you?
just have that one case, Timothy Little.
All right.
I don't know that he's checked in, but
Yes.
so I believe it's set for a pretrial. I'm gonna try. I can go to a breakout room with him, and maybe we just need a trial date so I can get the discovery.
I don't see Timothy. Okay, I do see Timothy Little. All right, he's on, you have to unmute yourself, Mr. Little.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Oh, okay, there he is.
All right. City of Detroit. versus-
Your Honor, I never was told if I had to come back to court.
You gonna hold on, I got the city attorney in here. Can I get an offer on this file now?
Yes, which case?
This is, Mr. Guyton. Just sit tight, Mr. Guyton. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Maurice Little. Case number U63485222. Appearance for the record, please. You're muted, Ms. Barrett.
I'm still muted, Your Honor. I'm unmuted.
No, it's me. I'm sorry. Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Timothy Little. Judge, we're asking for a not guilty plea and a bench trial date.
All right, September 1st, 2022. At 9 a.m.
Okay, Judge, thank you. Could you put me in a breakout room, Mr. Little, please?
Sir, yeah.
Thank you.
Join.
This is the city of Detroit versus Devin Dwayne Burrell, case number SP 12498.
How you doing?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Von Dwayne Grill.
All right, that's purposes of arraignment, counselor. Counselor, has your client been arraigned yet?
Oh yes, I got the
Your Honor, for
paperwork.
purposes of arrangement, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, it says on here pre-trial. What is your client saying? Do you have proof of insurance and registration?
I got the title and the insurance and everything, but I am not driving that vehicle anymore. But I have the paperwork all right here.
Is it valid? Is the stuff valid, sir?
Since I wasn't driving no more, I believe it expired in May.
Was it valid at the time of the stop?
Yes,
Let's see what you have.
I had the tags here.
I can't see it. Let's see what you're holding up there.
I don't know how to work this. I have to turn the camera around.
All right, let's see what he has. He's got title expires May 17th, 2022. On 2000. Okay. What about the insurance? I don't need that. I don't need that. I need the insurance.
Okay.
$518. Slide it on over. Okay. Madam City Attorney, they have produced insurance. He's introduced insurance that I don't know if it was valid at the time, but it was valid afterwards. And he's produced registration that's valid now.
If this registration is valid now, then that's acceptable.
All right, so we're going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation.
Okay. And do this go out the window since I'm not driving a car anymore as well?
No, it's going to be dismissed because you got the proper. You showed us the proper
Oh.
documentation.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus James Armand Glass, case number SP 1240492, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Wood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Hello?
Mr. Glass.
Mr. Glass, state your name, please.
Yeah, Charles Armand Glass.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Do you have valid driver's license, insurance, and registration?
No, sir.
Did you take the Michigan Defensive Driving course?
I'm taking it right now. I had some other stuff going on, so I got it late, so I'm taking it now.
What do you mean by other stuff going on, sir?
Things with my job, and the phone that I originally had when I did the Zoom call, my phone went out on me. I had to get another phone, and then my phone started not. I recently just got my phone fixed, so.
All right, how long is it gonna take you to complete that class?
It shouldn't take me long.
All right, I'm gonna give your client another 30 days. Come back.
30.
Pre-trial 8/2/2022 at 8:30 a.m. Send me the certificate of the class. All right.
Can you say that again, Judge?
I'm gonna give you 30 more days to complete the class. You come back on August the 2nd, 2022 with that certificate, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
Oh, you too.
All right, who's on that Rebel 4? The lady down there?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Christina Gilmore.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Corporal Jones. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. The city attorney is here now. Who are you on? Paul Green, Paul Anthony
Yes.
Green?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Paul Anthony Green spot?
Yeah.
I don't think he showed up. Let's go with Christina Gilmore. You all right over there?
No, I'm just, after I get a call, after I get sick, I pop. I don't have COVID, I tested.
I don't know what it is. It doesn't sound good. Let's see. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christina Monique Gilmore, case numbers SP 125-06331 and SP 125-05871. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gilmore. State your full name, Ms. Gilmore.
Christina Monique Gilmore.
All right, this is another case that would probably benefit you if you took the Michigan defensive driving course. I know the city attorney, this is careless driving ticket, which is a civil infraction, but it's 3 points on your driver's license. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not. I'll put the information in the chat so that you can
Your Honor, I had already took an online traffic school course for defensive driving. Is that what you're talking about?
yes.
I already did that on May 1st.
All right, do you have that certificate, ma'am?
Yes, I sent it. I have it right here, and also I sent it yesterday to Jamira Mathis, but I have it right here. Copy of it, what they sent me. I don't know if you can see it, but
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Okay, well, madam, she's taken the defensive driving course. She has a careless driving. What about this insurance of this vehicle, ma'am? Do you have that?
Yeah. No, I actually had insurance, but not at the time of then, but I had it. And I'm going through something now where I believe I was scammed, and the Secretary of State has sent me this letter stating that, who I paid for the insurance for Liberty Mutual. It hadn't been reported. So I'm in the process of getting my insurance like next week or the week after my boyfriend returns from out of town. So I'm gonna get insurance then for my car, which I'm not driving it, but I'm gonna still get it.
Okay, counselor, as for the allegations, I can either get you send you the copy of the ticket and you can review it, or I can just tell you what they say in the notes in the bottom as it relates to the careless driving.
The latter seems to be the more efficient, Your Honor.
Okay, so it says PC colon defendant eastbound West Buena Vista made left turn onto northbound Dexter Avenue, then made a U-turn in front of a southbound Dexter vehicle, nearly caused an accident. unknown vehicle slammed on brake, avoid defendant. That's what they say, the allegations of her being careless while driving.
That's not true.
Well, do you want to fight the ticket? You want to see what, first, let's see what the city attorney is going to offer.
Okay.
And then I'll get you in a breakout room if you'd like to. And you'd like to talk to the lawyer about it. So, madam, city attorney?
So do you have registration?
Here you go.
Yes, I have registration for my car. Yes, I do.
How do you get registration without insurance?
Well, I don't know. Here you are with this careless driving ticket. She took the Michigan Defensive Driving course. Ms. Mathis, did you get that email from her?
Here, I'm gonna show you because it won't,
Can you print it out?
it wouldn't come out.
Oh, I saw her copy. See, I do have confirmation that she took the Michigan Defensive Driving.
Okay, I'm fine with a reduction to speeding 1 to 5 and then dismiss the insurance ticket, or if she wants to contest that, she can return to lower insurance.
Speeding 1 to 5 and what?
Dismiss the insurance ticket.
Okay, all right, speeding 1 to 5, is that gonna be limited access or is it gonna be speeding 1 to 5?
Speeding 1 to 5.
So she's reducing it from a 3-point to a 2-point. Mr. Barry, $125 and dismissing the
Insurance.
ticket. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Your client has an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room to speak with him, all right?
Yes, thank you. Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who's on that Apple device? Oh, Johnny Luke, sorry. All right, let's put that aside.
Yeah, I just sign into the Zoom.
Corporal Randolph, good morning to you.
Excuse me. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Johnny?
It's Johan Lucas here, Your Honor.
Johan, okay, I'm sorry. It's on the iPhone.
Shavella Langston.
Say that again, ma'am.
Shavella Langston.
Langston?
Yes.
asking for. SOS, Johan Lucas.
She said Angela Langton.
Shabella Langston.
Shabella Langston, she's the 9 o'clock.
That's the file you want. Ms. Jensen. That's the file.
Oh, Johan Lucas. SOS.
You want to SOS for now.
Mr.
You don't want Shabella Langston.
Mr. Phillips, good morning to you.
Good
morning, Your Honor.
What about Mr. Dayho?
Mr. Deho?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Jerry Deho, he turned in his time sheet and it was verified that he did 13 hours over Iglesias Christian Casa de Restoration.
Oh, yeah, I don't need it unless the judge doesn't have. Okay. This one does, but she has trials, so.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Sure. Just Lucas.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Dayho, case number SP 126806001. State your name for the record, Mr. Dayho.
Jeremy Deho.
Okay, Mr. Dayho, I have information from the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center that you completed your community service with that, and you did an hour over, above and beyond. So I appreciate that. They appreciate that. With that, we're going to dismiss your case. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a great day, sir. And what about school? Did you talk to your mom about school?
It's still a work in process, but thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a great day, Your Honor.
You too. Okay.
Judge, would that be all for me?
That's it. Thank you, Mr. Phillips. I
Okay,
appreciate
have a
it.
good day.
You as well. All right, who's on that phone at 313-312-3769? You gotta press *6 to unmute yourself.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning. Who is that? I got you. Miss.
Oh, okay, my bad.
That's all right. You got a trial set. We're getting the officers into the breakout rooms. So good morning to you.
Good morning.
313-312-3769. You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Langston, you have a trial as well. Lucas, we're waiting on the attorney to get out of here, to get back. Then Mr. Guyton, I got an offer for you. We'll wait on the attorney to get back.
Okay.
And the person on that 313-312-3769 needs to press *6 to unmute themselves. can get the city attorney files that are here on. All right, if you can't unmute yourself, then you need to hang up and sign back in, call back in. Oh, this Clarence Guyton. I set aside defaults in these two cases. He already had an offer.
So I need one?
No.
Okay.
Okay, you dismissed it. Oh. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one, 7. Yes. Okay.
If I may, Your Honor, could we pull Miss Gilmore out of the breakout room? She was having difficulty.
All right, Ms. Gilmore, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel,
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Gilmore would avail herself of the offer to enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over, the other matter to be dismissed.
All right. All right. I hate to see only a 1 point reduction when she took all of that time doing the defensive driving course and stuff, but you want to take the deal, ma'am, I'll let you take the deal.
I'm gonna, I want to pay it, but I need some time, sir.
Well, let's just set a trial date.
I'm not understand. I just wanted to pay it off, pay the ticket.
I understand, but you can't pay it because you don't have the money now. So what is the Mr. Barry, you understand where I'm going with that?
Clearly, Your Honor.
I'm asking, can I get like a certain amount of time to pay it off? I mean,
Here's what I'm gonna do, Miss Gilmore. Yes. I'll leave this offer open on the date of trial. Yes. That means you'll have it till September the 1st. You'll save some money up. You can't do any worse than you're doing today. You can only do better. You see where I'm coming from?
Yes.
You can only do better, and then that'll give you the time to save the money up. How about that?
Your Honor, could you tell me how much is it, the ticket? How much would I have to pay?
$125.
You said 125?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so that'll be the worst case scenario on September 1st, and it could get better for you on
Okay.
September. I don't know. So
Okay,
come back on September 1st and we'll see how it goes from there, all right?
okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, and you too also. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Clarence Guyton. Mr. Guyton,
Yeah.
okay, here's the problem with this, Madam City Attorney, this no insurance proof makes a big problem for them at the Secretary of State.
Okay.
So she's only asking you to plead to 2 civil infractions. Three civil infractions. But the 1 civil infraction I don't understand what you're writing here.
I did all the ones that don't have to fix a rough sheet.
I don't understand what you're writing. Are you trying to?
I added all the stuff that you said was missing.
All right, look at it and see if you see where I see it.
I mean, I can give the offer to Mr. Berry.
I want you to look at it and show me what, if you don't see, I see the expired plate, I see that you're asking him to plead to as a responsible plea. But look at the numbers and see if they are corresponding with what you intend on doing. Intend on. And then you have the no insurance. My question is the second.
Oh, this can be dismissed. This one?
No,
I have it on my first one.
look at the offer sheet. And are you saying pleading to the top 2 civil infractions and then the no insurance civil infraction?
3 civil infractions, so it could be the one that you set aside for the default. Insurance, no proof. And then the 2 from this stop with Mr. Officer Mitchell, that would be accident, defect over missing equipment and expired plates. And then dismissing these misdemeanors. And then dismissing. the 2
You
from
put on
the-
there SP 124-871-22. Or count 1 and count 2, I guess. Is that what you meant? Because there's no count 1 that never got to the system.
This is 1 and 2.
So count 1 never got to the system. So we're not even talking about that anymore. It's just count 1.
I saw it on here.
Yes, it's not in the system though. Okay. And then
It's just a different number. It says 7. For some reason it's 2. I don't know why.
that's because they're 2 different things. It's something wrong. That's the problem I'm having with your offer sheet.
I mean, this is from here, so I don't know. I'm just going off like the stuff that you gave me. I don't know if it's on the docket today.
Let me see what you're looking at.
It's really weird. It's like 2 and 7 is like false instead of 1 and 2. You know how?
Is it on the same day?
Let me see what you're looking at. It could have been a typo from.
Okay, yeah, absolutely.
Let me see.
It's somewhere it's messed up in there. Yeah, I see it. It's messed up.
So you know how typically it's 1, 2, 3, but here it's 2 and 7.
Yeah, that's the problem I was having.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see it.
This one. It's on today's docket, but it's 2 and 7 is the last
Mhm,
digit.
it's a typo from the.
So I don't know why it's on that, but, I can rewrite it to reflect these numbers.
All right, we have the person with the person with the, was dialed in on the phone, never unmuted themselves.
Here, I'm gonna get the case number changed to a 1, okay?
Oh, you are?
Yes, I'm gonna go down there and get it corrected.
So you want him to plead to an accident ticket?
It's not an accident ticket, it's a defective or missing equipment, civil
Effective
infraction.
or missing equipment?
Yeah.
And then what else is the other?
Expired plates and insurance, no proof of insurance.
All right. Now, the no insurance will cause him problems at the Secretary of State. I know that.
Well, I'm choosing the civil infractions over pleading him to the misdemeanor.
All right, I'll just let the council know.
Jim Meyer, can I actually ask you, can I take that back from you? I need to.
Matter of fact, let me just write it down.
Okay.
Just gonna do that.
And there's 2 more that need to be dismissed, Judge Perkins.
All right.
Those are on that ticket. It's from the same stop.
Oh, here it is.
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Clarence Marcus Geist. Mr. Guyton, there's been an offer tendered to you in the matters, and that would be pleading to all right, see, this is again. All right, now, Madam City Attorney.
Is it a TRE in the change?
Count 1 is accident, effective or missing equipment. Okay, that's count 1 on the ticket. Okay, and expired plate is count 2. So, so the offer is this. I don't know what effective or missing equipment is. Let me look it up. Driving or moving vehicle in unsafe conditions and adjusted of parts and equipment stopping and inspecting.
But there's none on my car missing.
Well, this is not the time and place for that right now. This is the time and place just to present you with the offer. And then be able to speak with the lawyer and you make a determination of whether you want to take the offer or you want to go to trial. A person shall not drive or move, or the owner shall not cause or knowingly permit to be driven or moved on a highway, a vehicle or combination of vehicles that is in such an unsafe condition as to endanger a person, or that does not contain those parts, or is not at all times equipped with lamps and other equipment in proper condition and adjustment as required in section 8 or 7.1, or that equipped in a manner in violation of section 683 to 7.1. A person shall not do an act forbidden or fail to perform an act required unless So
But is that what translates into accident 525?
that's what that's what I'm trying to ascertain. I don't know what accident 525 is. I'm gonna go to the code and see what, because he has a right to know what he'd be pleading to and the punishment for that.
I'm gonna go into, they changed the ticket.
Okay, awesome. So they can do that?
Yes, it was an error.
Okay.
So you got offers for all of these for the judge?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with can you join the breakout room for the officers?
I just have to judge them, but then I'll do that. I'll do that. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for snapping.
Oh, you're welcome.
Got two, 5, 6, 6, 8, 2, 5, 7, 6, 8, 3.
Your Honor, if I could step away for a couple moments. Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
All right, well, since we're off the record, Mr. Barry, apparently 683 is, defective windshield, shattered windshield, defective steering, defective lights, whatever. Those things, they don't abstract to the Secretary of State. They do not, they do not carry any points. So that would be just like a defective equipment. That would be $120 fine. The other, and we'll have to put this on the record, but that's that, just to get, I don't know, I guess they mean that the vehicle must have previously been in an accident, at least that's what they say, and it's missing some parts or something, so. The expired plates is what it is. I don't think that abstracts to the Secretary of State either. That would be $145 fine. The no insurance is the one that civil infraction, but it does abstract to the Secretary of State. That is where we're likely going to see some kind of adverse action with the Secretary of State. That's $195 a pound. So, and they'll dismiss the other stuff. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. 3606, 3106. See what expired. Right, please, 35. So 3106. No insurance. No MBC licensing action effective on 10/1/2021. It doesn't carry any points, but it does abstract to the Secretary of State. The no proof of registration, expired plate. Let's say 30. Civil infraction, no abstractions. All right, so $195, $145, and $120, and no abstraction, except for the insurance, no insurance, Mr. Reed. I'll put you in a breakout room, and then we'll put that back on the record when that what report it is here.
We do. Does the court have, you have the ticket before you? I mean.
Yeah, I have the tickets before me.
And it does not indicate what is missing?
No, it does not indicate what is missing at all.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready for a breakout.
I'm available.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to put you in the breakout room, but for the record, let's just so what we just said. The officer, Mr. Guyton, is pleading to.
I'm kind of multitask. I'm important.
The officer for Mr. Guyton is going to be pleading to the current misdemeanor that is that does abstract to the Secretary of State. It doesn't carry any points. It's a $195 ticket. Also, the expired plates, that's $145 ticket, no adverse effects, no points and no abstract to the Secretary of State. And then we've ascertained that that 257.683 ticket is just a equipment violation ticket. That's $120. So I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Guyton, with the lawyer, and you can discuss it. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. Who's on that phone at 313-707-1436?
Paul Green.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Ms. Thomas. I'm okay. Nothing but today's work, and then I'm just right now just processing on the tax file. So yeah. Huh? No, in order for me to do that report, I have to work. No. What are you doing? Hello? I sent the email Friday. I did. I sent the email. You keep saying that I didn't say anything this time. I sent the email Friday. He was not here. Okay, was you here Friday? Okay, he wasn't here. Carmen came in Monday to get the work. She took the cake and she said that was praying for you. She would come back and get the rest of it. Okay? Nobody fussing. I ain't taking personal in this business. It's doing wonderful in here, Miss Thomas. Why? What is that? Because it's like, okay, the report is coming in, but work is coming. It's not like cases haven't stopped rolling in because we completed the report. Miss Thomas, it's no PM docket on this. I am entitled to an hour and 2:15 that I really get, and I take. And that Wednesday is the day that I'm taking my lunch. And when I come back, I only have 4 hours to process work, and I have to get ready for the next day. I can't complete a whole week of work. You know what I got. I can't complete days of work in 4 hours. I'm only one person. Okay, I'm doing the best I can. That's it. I can only do the best I can every day. I'm still entitled to my lunches and breaks. Oh, I'm going to I'm gonna go do the break. On my break. Just be back. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna remove 313. 312.
There's,
377 from the room, because they have not responded and haven't clicked *6 to unmute themselves. Maybe they'll join back in.
hello, yeah, this is Paul Green.
Yeah, I already got you, sir. You're not the one I'm talking to.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
My phone, I'm kind of at the doctor's office on the, like for my important doctor's appointment for my diabetes, and my phone kind of gonna go dead. So,
All right, so I haven't gotten an offer yet from you, and you need to speak with the attorney. Is there a way you can charge your phone up?
No, only in my car, but my doctor is here now to see me.
Well, go ahead and call back in, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck with that.
Mm-hmm. Trying to multitask. No, I just had.
right, we're waiting on, city attorney and, the house counsel. All right, we got one. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Strike that, Clarence Guyton. Mr. Guyton, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Guyton would request a bench trial date. And in addition, Your Honor, we'd ask the court to allow him to pay his reinstatement fees so that he could take the opportunity to return here with the license.
I don't see he owes any reinstatement fees.
I beg your pardon?
I don't see he owes any reinstatement fees.
Oh, really? Well, there we are.
Looks like you may be able to go. I told you what to do, sir. Go to the Secretary of State and ask him specifically what's holding your license up. I know that if you went in November, you should have been able to probably been eligible, but I know that in October, I believe they did a massive thing with kind of wiping away a lot of fees and stuff and allowing people to get licensed. So I don't know when exactly you went, but September 1st, 2022 is going to be your trial date. All right, 9 a.m.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. So just return back with a license.
Well, just return back with a license. That'll help you, but we still got these cases, and we'll deal with them all on that day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So I got a case where Mr. Lucas, did we call Mr. Johnny Edwin Johan?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's get.
Johan Lucas here, Your Honor. Yeah, Johan Lucas here, Your Honor.
All right, there we go. This is the city of Detroit versus Johan Edwin Lucas, case number SP 1301398, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 130215991, SP 130273991. I'm gonna set aside the defaults on these. SP 1330636, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1341171. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lucas. State your full name, Mr. Lucas.
Johan Edwin Lucas.
I guess today is the date time set for informal hearing, pre-trial, and hearing and pre-hearing on those matters. I'm going to set aside the default on SP 1330636, counts 1 and counts 2. There's no offer in the final. The city attorney wants to see and speak with the officer before he gives an offer. So I can set a trial date up for that September 1st date, 9/1/2022 at 9 a.m. and put all of them trial / formal hearing. All right, sir?
Yes.
All right, you understand what's going on, and make sure we set aside the defaults in the subject.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lucas, I'll see you back on September the 1st, 2021 at 9 a.m. All right?
All right, no problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
All right.
All right, let's move on to Mr. Paul Green, failure to secure a loan. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We do have Officer Jones here, and there has been an offer presented to him to plead guilty to that failure to secure a loan. Let's see what that does as far as let's see what that does.
Okay, Your Honor, you had went out for a minute. I didn't hear anything.
All right, hold on a second. I'm just doing a little failure to secure a load. 257720. Five seven seven two zero. Yeah, I want to see what the reflection is on this. Okay, that ticket that she wants him to pay to is a misdemeanor. It does have points, so therefore it's going to abstract to the Secretary of State, and they are willing to dismiss a 9-month delay, $240, 2 points on your driver's license. So I don't see, I'll leave that up to legal counselor. I'll put you in a breakout room with your client. You can speak to him. And then you can come back and let us know what you want to do. Did we lose him? No.
Hello, this is Mr. Green.
All right, go ahead and join the room and talk to the lawyer, Mr. Green. He's in there. Good morning, APA Cole.
Good morning. Good morning.
Let's see if we have anything for you. I appreciate you always checking in on us.
Yeah, I'm so sorry I missed you the other day. You emailed me and I just walked away from my desk. So, oh, you don't need me for anything this morning?
Well, let's see. We have a couple of trials.
A couple of trials?
Yeah, it's set scheduled for trial. I don't know if they'll go. But no, nothing on Langston and Oh, we do have on Lee, we do have some state matters on Lee. So Alexandra Lee, she has a few tickets here. And the offer, so from the city, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets. The city is asking her to plead to 1 misdemeanor and 1 civil infraction. And then for you, it's 3 other tickets, a no ops, multiple no ops. These tickets go back to 2015, a careless driving and a no proof of insurance, written by Matthew Walker, and I don't believe that that's going to have any bearing now because that officer never showed up. So nothing for you.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to be by my desk till 11, so just let me know.
All right, thank you much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Miss Mathis. Hi, Judge Perkins.
Hello. All right.
Hello.
May I speak with the officers that are waiting in a breakout room, please? Thank you so much.
My goodness.
Okay. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Paul Anthony Green, case number SP 125-16071. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Perry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Green. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Paul Anthony Green.
Okay, Corporal Jones, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Alonzo Jones, Bass 4232, Detroit Police Department.
All right.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Mr. Green would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 9-month delayed sentence.
All right. But let's also call SP 129-25831. City of Detroit versus Paul Anthony Green. Got a pre-hearing on that on 8/26/2022. Officer Jones again. 12/21/2021. 9/17/20. You got to know Officer Jones pretty well, haven't you, Mr. Green?
Yes, I have, sir.
All right. Well, I'm gonna dismiss the ticket upon payment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's $240. What do you want to do with the other ticket, Ms. Jansen? He's got a pre-hearing on a trailer light ticket that we included in on this record. No trailer lights. you're on mute, Ms. Johnson.
I'm so sorry. I'm having trouble hearing about the other ticket that's up. Do you have a case number that I can review?
Yes, it's SP 129-25831. You know, you're signing up for 2 points on your driver's license with that failure to secure load ticket. No matter whether it's delayed or dismissed, you're still gonna get that 2 points on your license. You understand that, Mr. Green?
Yes, I understand. But when I talked to the lawyer, he didn't say anything about 2 points.
Well, I'm letting you know, well, we said that before you went in the breakout room, but I'll let you know that now.
Wow.
It's probably gonna drastically affect your insurance, but I don't know if you have a defense to it or not. Obviously, you've already spoken.
Mm.
Your Honor, I see that Officer Jones is also on this ticket. Was this an accompanying citation?
No, it's something that happened before, a couple of months before or after. 2 different stops.
Okay. I'm fine. When is it up again? It says notice to appear for August 26th.
It's up now, though. We're gonna hear it now.
Okay, so I'm fine to dismiss upon payment of the other ticket.
All right. Well, dismiss upon plea. Good morning.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
It'll be dismissed upon plea of the other ticket.
Okay, Officer Jones,
Yes,
is that acceptable to you?
yes.
Okay.
What is this trailer lights ticket?
I wasn't notified on that one, so
It's coming up in August. He moved it up to today, Officer
yes,
Jones.
I don't have my notes on that one.
Right.
All right. Hold on a second. Let's see.
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
That's like an equipment violation, and what I need is if he can verify that he fixed it, it's a simple fix unless it's something electrical. But what end up happening is if they don't get it fixed, they'll be right back in the same thing, get pulled over and get ticketed. So it is something that can be fixed for cheap if he can prove it. Send some type of proof to the court will help me, get out of the repeat pulling people over for the same violation.
Appreciate that. You heard that, Mr. Green?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Now, this being an equipment violation, is the city of Detroit and you amenable to letting them plead to that equipment violation and saving him 2 points on his license and dismissing the other matter? He pays that $170 fine.
Yes, Your Honor. Minimal.
65257. This is why I don't like to go off of ROAs either, though. 257680. It says ran over a fire hose, but That's just on the, I don't have the actual ticket in front of me. Can you get a printout of it?
What is it, an SP?
It's this one. Would that be something that the city would consider?
I'm sorry, could you say that one more time? Judge?
I'm looking up, I'm trying to see the violation code for the, do you know, Officer Corporal Jones, whether that infraction is, no trailer lights, does that carry any points on his driver's license or not?
No, it should. Well, that I wouldn't know. I can't speak specifically on it, but I would pretty
I
much
don't think
bet it wouldn't.
that's a
'Cause it's
moving
like an
violation.
equipment. Yeah, with trailer lights, yeah. But we handle it like that equipment, so it will be dismissed upon compliance. That's the way we normally handle it. But as far as it going through the system, I don't know.
Well, my question, Madam the City Attorney, is are you willing to allow this man to plead to the trailer light ticket in exchange, other than the misdemeanor that's causing him 2 points on his license?
I'm gonna need to speak with Corporal Jones.
All right, I'll put you back in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys can just rejoin the room, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's put that matter, let's pass that matter until we get some kind of resolution. Then let's move on to Langston. Langston left, so she had a doctor's appointment. She's in the doctor right now. Let's move on to Alexandra Shanice Lee.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Alexandria Shanice Lee. Case numbers SP 1190943, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 8964991, SX 2017385, counts 1, 2, and 3. Fourteen 4656021, 14-465-6022, 17-323-277, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Wood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Little. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Ms. Lee.
Alexandria Shanice Lee.
I'm sorry, Lee, I apologize.
State your name for the record, ma'am.
Alexandria Shanice Lee.
All right. Today is the date time set for a trial and matter. I have an offer from the city attorney, and that would be to plead to SP 1190943, count 1, failure to display. I'll fine you $240 for that, and plead to the expired plate on the same ticket. And that's gonna be another $145. And then dismiss, the other tickets.
So Officer Babson is present, Your Honor?
All I have, so for present for, Ms. Lee, the officers that are present, let's get them. Randolph is the only one I see. Corporal Randolph, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Randolph, that's 1235 Detroit Police Department.
Hey. So that's the only one I have present, Counselor. Now, what I'll do is I can put you in a breakout room with, what are your ticket numbers, Counselor? I mean, Officer, Corporal Randolph. You got some old tickets, 14. All right. So you got a little, what are you gonna, you want to speak to her in the breakout room? That's the offer presented.
I mean, if she has her license and insurance, I mean, I don't have no problem dismissing it, but that's,
Well,
I guess that's.
I'm sure she doesn't have a license, but I'll leave that up to her and her counsel to find that out. But nevertheless, the offer presented, I see where attorney's going with that. The offer presented included the offer for two officers that, for officers that didn't appear. The window now is closed for them to appear. So we're only, technically dealing with your tickets, Officer Corporal Randolph. Now, whether they're gonna accept this offer or amend it to include your tickets, that's gonna be up to Attorney Berry and his client. So what I'm gonna do, those are the two things that they asked you to plead to, Ms. Lee. Mr. Berry knows what I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and you guys can have a discussion about it.
Okay. Can you resend me that the link so I can join? I think I pressed it too fast to unmute the phone.
It should still be up there.
Oh, let me find it first.
He's in the room, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. Would you tell me again what the offer is for Ms. Lee?
The offer is failure to display, $240 fine, and expired plates, $145 fine. I'll waive the warrant cost. She'll be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we are ready. Oh, okay. Actually, the attorney's not here, so.
All right, that no tail light is I got the actual ticket for that. It is written up under the 0 points. That's 257,686. Again, the ROA is wrong in that matter, so.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Is there a certain breakout room I'm supposed to be in?
No, he's talking to his client. We're gonna see what they're gonna do, and then there will be we'll figure out where it goes from there.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'd like to speak with Attorney Berry.
All right, I'll put him in the breakout room when he gets out of the. there
Okay,
with his-
and then Corporal Randolph, you can join me at that time. Thank you.
So you said something was wrong on the ticket, you want to have to correct it?
No, something wrong with the ROA. I mean, that's just
Okay,
another
so they
example.
get- you need to-
That's just another example of why I don't proceed on ROA. Because it says, the ticket on the ROA says it was 25768, which is totally different than what Corporal Jones wrote. So
You want me to have them change?
no, I don't want to do, I don't want to, if the ticket is right, you wrote the ticket right,
You just
they entered it in wrong.
They can correct it if you want.
No, it's not about correcting, it. It's about, that's why I don't proceed on ROAs, because a lot of times we see ROAs are wrong all day long. So if they don't have the actual ticket on the date of trial, then they're going to get ticket dismissed. All right, let's, what are we gonna do with, Paul Green? Ms. Jackson?
I was going to speak with Attorney Berry on that one or on matters, but did you want to wait until he's back? Did you want to wait until Attorney Berry is back?
No, I just wanted to know if you had came up with a resolution. If you want to speak with him, you can speak with him about it.
Okay, sounds good. I'm needed in Judge Millhouse's. I'll be here shortly.
Everything go okay at the doctor's, Ms. Langston?
Yes.
Good. Ms. Langston sits behind the field of the curve too. Okay, we're back on the record with Miss Alexandra Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee would avail herself of the people's offer and stands ready to enter. Please to failure to display, I believe it's blockading.
Failure to display an expired plate.
An expired plate, yes, Your Honor.
All right, you want to do that, Ms. Lee?
Yes,
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Or you can put your hand down. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
no, not really. Wait, can you say that one more time? I'm sorry.
The maximum possible penalty for the offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand that?
Yes, if I don't pay it or do what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, that's the maximum. That's if I choose to sentence you to the maximum.
Oh,
If you
okay.
take the plea, you're at the discretion of the court, but I've already advised you that I'm only gonna sentence you to pay $240.
Okay.
I just have to advise you that that is the maximum penalty for it. You have to know that.
Okay,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Excuse me.
No,
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna draw your attention back to July the 25th, 2021 at around 1:34 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile Road in Archdale. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by the Detroit Police Department?
I don't recall a lot. I just got out the hospital and I'm relearning, so my memory is kind of off, but I'm relearning and I'm healing. So I don't remember back when then.
Poses a little bit of a problem here, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, there's a problem here. Can we?
Can't, well, can't accept her plea because she can't make a factual basis. She indicated, I do see, does it have anything to scar on your head there, ma'am?
Yeah, I was getting off work and a car ran a red light and hit me, caused me to eject from my vehicle. My vehicle flipped over twice and my vehicle landed on me. I spent Mother's Day weekend in the hospital. I was found unconscious. I was in and out of consciousness, and I was discharged on the 20th of May. I don't have no ball in my left joint. My
I say it was a severe accident.
Yeah, I'm healing though, and I'm relearning, so I'm taking my time.
So I don't know how this is gonna shake out. This is a tough one.
It gets better. It definitely gets better.
No, I'm not talking about you, ma'am. I'm talking about talking to your lawyer on being able to take a plea. You have to be, you have to know and be able to make a factual basis to what they allege that you did in order to take the plea. And the officer is not here today. So this ticket could very well be dismissed, but then they will probably want you to take a plea to a no insurance and no, at least the no license ticket back in 2014. And I know that if you probably can't remember what happened last year, you probably are going to have a difficult time remembering what happened back in 2014.
Yeah.
All right, let's pass this matter and let's figure out something. Let's see where we're going to go with this. All right, now for Paul Green, the city attorney wanted to speak to you in the breakout room with Corporal Jones.
Yes.
She's at this point, the city attorney is in another courtroom. We're real short. They're short staffed down here. So let's move on to Langston, Shavella Langston. This is the city of Detroit versus Shavella Langston. Case number SP 121-899-0, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-899-11, SP 123008111, SP 1230081, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1230335, and SP 1230335, SP 1280431. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Langston. State your name, Ms. Langston.
Shavella Marie Langston.
Your Honor, this date and time set for trial. I'm not aware that any of the officers have appeared.
Yeah, I think let's get the officer. Perkins just appeared. That window has closed. Officer Perkins, you were supposed to be here no later than 9:30. So that I have a half-hour grace period for officers. So to save the time, it was 9 o'clock. That window is closed. I do have Officer Nathan Greer's here that did appear, and I think he should be in the waiting room, in the breakout room.
Officer Greer's, and that's it.
So it's Officer Greer's. Yes. So he's in the breakout room.
Your Honor, could I meet with Attorney Barry in a breakout room, and all the officers may join us?
Can you go in there and pull out Officer Greer's off the breakout room? Ms. Johnson?
He can be in there too, and Attorney Barry, I would like to speak with him. We can go to room 1.
All right, we're on the record now with Langston, so we're gonna present her with our offer, and if you need to speak with
Attorney Barry,
yes.
are you joining us in room 1?
Ms. Jansen, hold on a second, Ms. Jansen. We're on the record with Langston right now, and we just need Officer Greer's to come out the breakout room and put his appearance on the record.
Okay.
So can you go get him out of the breakout room, please?
Sure.
All right, the offer presented in the, here's the offer, is pleading to 2 counts of improper plates and 1 count of failure to display, $245 for each count, total of $720, and dismissing the rest. Officer Greer, can you put your appearance, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Detroit Police 11th Precinct, Officer Grice, badge 777.
All right, sorry about that, Officer Grice. All right, that's the offer presented to your client, counselor. I can put you in a breakout room, and you can speak with her regarding that offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room regarding that offer, all right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That'll be for Ms. Langston and Barry. So I'll just give them an opportunity to discuss the offer, and then we'll proceed. Join the room, man. those tickets pretty fast. Huh?
I had inquired as to why we don't have access to it. No, why I can't just print it. I don't know why. Because it would be even, I could just go and print it empty. I don't know. She would have to come from the first floor. That would cost more work or whatever.
Your Honor,
Yes.
as to Ms. Langston, she has a valid license, registration, and of course, the plates.
Run her license, please.
Ms. Langston,
License. All right, let's run that by, she also has many other tickets, but let's run that by Ms. Jansen. Ms. Jansen, can you put your appearance for Shavella Langston?
Crystal Jansen appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit, P81280.
All right, you can, I'm running driver's license now. To verify, counsel indicates that Ms. Langston has documentation. I know she has a lot more tickets, but maybe that may help her, maybe it may not. The license is valid. So I'll put you in the breakout room, Mr. Barry. You can discuss Mr. Paul. You can discuss Mr. Paul Green's cases, and you can discuss with the city attorney, Ms. Langston's cases. And you can bring up that issue that Ms. Lee has that she put on the record and told the court. Breakout room 1. You can join that room if you like to, Corporal Randolph. Corporal Randolph. Corporal Randolph. He must hit his device so he can't hear you.
Oh, okay, Williams got me there. She's all, okay, so I was trying to contact, okay. Just, I'll be right back. I gotta go across that line.
All right. Let's, who are we ready on?
Ready on Mr. Green?
All right,
Yes.
let's go back on the record with Mr. Paul Anthony Green. What's the resolution gonna be here?
Your Honor, the defense will agree to an adjournment of this matter to enable Mr. Green to get the taillights fixed. And upon his return, that being accomplished, the prosecution will dismiss both charges.
Okay. Now.
Is that okay with you, Mr. Green?
Yes.
Now, how are we gonna accomplish proof of that? Are we gonna go, allow Corporal Jones to inspect, or what do you, how do you wanna do that?
Yes, I have to, if he can either email pictures or receipts to the court where I can verify it. That way I have my notes to make sure I can check and see if it's if it was a light ticket or an electrical problem.
Can he come to the precinct and do it?
And no, he can take a picture of the either the receipt or the actual the fix or somehow, but then he can just email it to your courtroom, to wherever your email is, or to the city attorney.
All right. We'll set it at a pretrial date on September the 1st, 2022. You understand what you have to do? Whatever's wrong with that tail light, sir.
But I would have to be there, so pretrial I wouldn't be able to inspect that to make sure he get compliant.
Let's set it for another trial date on September 1st, 2022.
Your Honor, could we ask for it to be set on August 26th when that arraignment is coming up on that other matter? And then that way.
That arraignment, we're going to take that out of the system.
Okay.
We're going to take that out of the system today. Both matters will be on the same day. Now, if you want to try,
yes.
If you want to get it sooner than that, then I'll have to wait till Miss Mathis comes back to see what kind of date we have sooner than
no,
September.
that's fine, Your Honor. That's okay. I just wanted to be sure that both matters were scheduled for the same day, because one of them, the one that's set for trial, has to be set for adjourned trial date for Corporal Jones to be here.
All right, very well. We'll adjourn it till September 1st. Make sure you have a receipt and pictures, Mr. Green. Maybe you need to either be able to have a capability to zoom in so that we can see that, or you need to come down to the courthouse.
Okay. Okay.
Well, how about you come down to the courthouse and present that in person?
Okay. September the 1st.
Yeah, in person. All right.
Okay.
All right, at 9 a.m.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
If there's nothing further, have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, what do we have next?
Ms. Langston?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Langston, let's go back on the record with Ms. Javella Marie Langston. I'm giving you an opportunity, counsel, to speak with the city attorney in the breakout room regarding the matter. I do have a valid driver's license, and I believe that Ms. Langston is prepared to show valid registration and insurance. I don't know how that's going to affect anything, but I'll allow you to speak.
Yes, Your Honor. Having spoken to the prosecutor and the officer, they are prepared to dismiss the remaining charges based upon her valid registration and insurance.
Is that what you want to do?
Can I talk to you in a second? Oh, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I was just speaking with a prosecutor about the docket. Yes, we do with Miss Langston. Attorney Beery, could you just verify the registration that you saw as well as the insurance? The SOS was was reviewed by the court. It's valid. Her license is valid.
Yes.
And Attorney Beery, would you just be able to review the insurance information and registration that you saw?
Well, to the extent that I just didn't remember very much of the details.
That's fine. If the defendant, Miss Langston,
insurance here. Let's see what you have. Make that so we can see it. All right, you have to.
Are you able to see it?
Hold on, Sippy. Hold it still. Let's see what you have. Now you need to bring it closer.
I actually want to see the registration too.
Okay, this is the insurance.
We can't see the date. We just see some terms, but if you bring it down lower.
Are you able to see it now?
Not really. Actually, could you turn it sideways? 180 degrees reversed. It's upside down.
Oh, sorry. Are you able to see it now? It's
That's fine. Can you read us the terms? What's the effective date?
the let's see, effective date was 3/1/22, and the expiration date is 9/1/22.
So how much are you on auto pay, or how do you pay for your insurance or this insurance?
It's through auto pay. I pay a card note through credit acceptance, and they everything comes from out of my direct deposit, like through out of my account from Progressive and through credit acceptance.
Okay, and then what vehicle was it that you have registered for this insurance?
It's a 2014 Nissan Rogue.
Mm-hmm. And what is the date of the registration?
The date, everything is on 3/1. The day that I got the car.
Okay. Okay. I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, you're satisfied with dismissing for proper ballot
Yes.
documentation? All right, your cases are gonna be dismissed, you provided valid documentation, Ms. Langston. If nothing
Okay.
further, you have a very good day, okay?
Okay, thank you. Oh, quick question. I spoke to a clerk on yesterday, and she was going to speak with her supervisor far as in with a trial date, or I think I had 2 trial dates or something like that. So I think I have another court date coming up, like with the same matter, but it's always supposed to be done today. But she took my phone number and stuff down and said she's gonna call me back with another court date, but everything is the same. So when I get a court date in the mail, do I still come, or do I just ignore that one since everything was taken care of today?
Oh, she's got a scheduled for a hearing.
Who is that?
That's Langston. So she got ticket 7/24/2021. 7/24/2021 and 11/18/2021. I don't know why all these weren't scheduled for, oh, I see. This one's was 5/13/2022.
5/13.
That's the time that it actually hit the system. You got the ticket in November and it just hit the system. That's why that wasn't on the docket today. That was
A
only on
ticket
the
in
docket.
November. Ticket in November.
Yeah, that's for the lights ticket. So,
yeah, okay, that was all with the same old car that I had, but I don't even have that vehicle no more.
I understand that.
I was going through some issues when I bought that car from somebody.
I understand that.
Okay, so do I still attend that court date when they send it out?
Well, let's call it, we already called those cases into the record.
Okay.
But I don't think that the city attorney assumed to dismiss that because that was not set for trial today, but that it's a okay, so SP 1320335 is set for a formal hearing. SP 1320335 is set for a formal hearing. The only other ticket that we're dealing with is this, the light ticket, defective light ticket, defective lights.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay,
that
yeah.
was not-
I had okay, yes, I remember that one. Now. The only thing with that,
Well, hold on, man. Let's not talk yet. That's that matter was not set for a formal hearing. but I have in the notes. Okay, no, it just says they're gonna follow the other tickets, so that was not set for a formal hearing. So defective lights, the $120 ticket, what do you want to do with that ticket today, Miss Jansen?
Sorry, do you have a ticket number that I'm trying to look this up in the system?
That's ticket number SP 128-04361.
128
04361.
SP.
SP. So, Mr. Berry, she was on a pretrial on 4/19/2022, and that's where the cases were set. Although this ticket was issued last year on 11/8/2021, it didn't hit the system until 5/13/2022. So that's why this matter wasn't set, because she had her pretrial on the other matter before then.
Okay.
That's $105 ticket.
Is it just one ticket or two tickets?
It's gonna be just one ticket.
Okay, do you have proof of sale, Ms. Langston?
Let me see if I have it in here. Hopefully I do. I can, okay, I can probably go to the Secretary of State and see, because it was transferred over in somebody else's name on March 30th or the 31st. That's when I got rid of the vehicle. It was to somebody named Regina Yvette Jones. That vehicle was registered into her name, so I don't know if they even still have it.
How did you transfer title?
Actually, she did it. They did it.
Did you take a picture of any of the paperwork before you gave her the car?
No, I didn't know I really didn't know I had to, but if I have some, I might have something at my home, far as in for it, but right now, ma'am, honestly, I do not have it in this vehicle. I probably have it at my house, but
Okay.
I know for is that I really don't have that vehicle anymore.
Okay, and how did you find a buyer for your vehicle?
It was my boyfriend's mom.
Okay.
So it was kind of like I knew the person, so I didn't actually think that I needed all that type of information. It was just I didn't even sell it to her. I really just gave her the car because she knew somebody who actually did all the mechanical work.
Listen. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room with the city attorney. Ms. Jansen, you speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry's got kind of enough information to go on. The fine is $105 if you plead responsible now, and then we can close it out. Or if Mr. Berry, you can work out something with Ms. Jansen, then then you do that. So you two join the breakout room. Ms. Langston, just sit tight, all right?
Thank you.
Now if you want the defendant in there, I can put her in there as well.
Yes, please.
Join that room, Miss Langston.
How do I join it?
Go to the more button and stuff.
Okay.
It should say breakout room 1.
Actually, it does.
Does this have 4 buttons? Do you see 4 buttons?
I only have 3 buttons. Say chat 3, meeting settings, and disconnect auto, raise hand, and cancel.
And 3 dots, right?
No, I don't have 3 dots. Last time when I joined it, they had sent me something to click join.
All right, did you guys work it out, or do you need Miss Jansen?
We worked it out. Attorney Barry and I have spoken. I don't know where here he is. Yeah, we worked it out and we're dismissing this matter.
All right, the matters are gonna be dismissed, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a great day.
Have a better one.
Officer
Thank
Grice.
Have a good one, ma'am. Have a good one, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you be safe out there, Officer Grimes.
I appreciate it, sir.
All right, now let's go back on the record with Miss Alexandra Lee. Miss Lee, I've given you an opportunity, attorney, I've given you an opportunity to speak with everyone in the breakout room. I don't know if you discussed Mrs. Lee's issues. Mrs. Lee, Mr. Barry, did you talk to Ms. Jansen about it? We're having trouble.
Yes, Your Honor. And the prosecutor is willing to go along with a no contest plea with regard to the failure to display an expired plate.
All right, you understand that, Ms. Lee? Since you don't have the proper recollection, we understand you have been in an accident and you've lost your memory. There's a way that you can plead no contest, and that means that you will not have to make the factual basis. You don't have to admit guilt in the matter, and we'll use the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for what happened on that day. The no contest plea will not be admission of guilt, but it will be considered just like a guilty plea. You understand? So I'll fine you the same $240. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
You want to do that?
Yes.
All right. So, counselor, for your for the ticket that SP 1190943 counts 1 and counts 2, will your client stipulate, for the purpose of the no contest plea, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for this no contest plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client. I'm going to enter a no contest plea for SP 1190943 count 1, and then for the expired plate, I don't know how you enter a no contest plea for that. You just stipulate the probable cause for the stop there.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to find your client responsible for SP 1190943 and with that, I'm going to dismiss the other matters with stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, no contest. All right. And I'm going to dismiss SP 1190943. I'm going to dismiss SP 8964991. I'm also going to dismiss SX 2017385. 14465602 counts 1 and 2. and 17, 3232277 counts 1 and counts 2. Those matters are going to be dismissed. There is an issue with I'm going to dismiss SX 201-73851 for no officer. I'm going to dismiss all the other ones except for Corporal Randolph's tickets. I'm going to dismiss no officer. Corporal Randolph's tickets, I'm going to dismiss her plea. Now there's still, what's going to affect her driver's license are this no proof of insurance, SX 201-73853. There was also a careless driving that went along with that. Those are 2017 tickets. Ma'am, you're at the very least going to have to pay this no insurance, no proof of insurance. I'm thinking that's going to be a hindrance for you to get a driver's license, but check with the Secretary of State. And if it's nothing further, then you are, let me fine you. There's going to be a $240 fine for the failure to display no contest plea. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. I'm going to find you responsible for the expired plate, $145. That's going to be a total of today, for today. Looks like $385. When can you pay that, ma'am?
I'll probably say before June.
Have you been working or anything at all?
No, I'm doing physical therapy and then I start outpatient therapy this month coming up.
All right, come back in 90 days, ma'am, review.
Okay.
At 8:25. I want to see you back on September 30th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. for a review. Your tickets were dismissed per the plea, Officer Randolph, but I do have you marked as here.
Okay, I'll be there.
Yes, Your Honor. You said you marked me as here.
Yeah, you're up here, so you're gonna get, so you get paid.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear you clear. What was happening with the citations I wrote again?
You're based on the plea. The city attorney wrote the plea up, and they were dismissing yours and pleading to the two that she just pled to.
Okay, so am I okay to leave now, or do you still need me?
You're free to leave. Yes.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Be safe out there.
All right.
All right, come back on September 30th, ma'am, and we'll see where you're at. Try to make some payments. All right.
Okay, what time on the 30th of September?
September 30th at 8:25. Okay.
Okay, I'll be there. Thank you, Judge, and y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Y'all be safe as well.
All right.
Thanks, Ms. Lee. Thank you, Attorney Barry.
Thank you, Ms. Jensen.
All right. If there's nothing further, that'll conclude the morning.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Mathis. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Everyone have a good afternoon. All right, Mrs. Williams Law will be back at 1:30. All right.
Okay, Your Honor. See you at 1:30.